Hi! In my Excel Fundamentals class, one of the most important things I teach is using the Quick Access Toolbar. While I like using the ribbon, it doesn't beat the good old-fashioned toolbar. Microsoft Office 365 gives us the Quick Access Toolbar, which has been around since Office 2007. People don't know about it. The Quick Access Toolbar is up at the top of your title bar. You know it because that's where our favorite button in the whole wide world, Undo, is, and Save. Well, what I have done is I have customized my Quick Access Toolbar so that I don't have to use the File tab or Backstage view for my favorite commands. So my Quick Access Toolbar, which is usually at the top unless you've changed it like I have, my Quick Access Toolbar is here, where I've added things like my new file, open, save, and then I use some of my other favorite commands in Excel. All you have to do is click on the little arrow here, add all of your favorite buttons, and then go to more commands and add buttons. So in my fundamentals class, I'll show you how to build your Quick Access Toolbar, move it to below the ribbon or above the ribbon, and then I'll show you how to add some of your favorite commands. For example, freeze pane. Freeze pane! Freeze pane! Somebody say freeze pane! Freeze pane! Freeze pane! Oh! Woo, woo. We love freeze panes in Excel. So freeze pane! Freeze pane! So forgive me for my little 1980s moment there. But we love freeze panes in Excel. Now this is why I like my Quick Access Toolbar. If I'm in the Data tab and I want to use freeze panes, I don't want to go to the View tab, use freeze panes, and jump back to the Data tab. I always want my fabulous freeze pane on the freeze pane. I added that. Now watch how I use freeze panes. I'm going to hide rows 1 through 6. They're not in my view. I'm going to select row 8. I'm going to use freeze panes. Freeze panes. And so here's my freeze panes button. I don't have to use the ribbon. There's freeze panes. Now watch as I scroll down into my worksheet here how it keeps rows 1 through 6 from my view, but anything below row 7 I can scroll and see. So row 7 is always at the top. So love using freeze panes. Freeze panes. Now let me turn off my freeze. I've also added a couple of other buttons that's not in the ribbon. For example, I'm going to click Computer Tech. Now watch the magic. I've added a button called AutoFilter that's not in the ribbon. So you have to take a class like this from the geek like me that has no life, and this is what I do. Alright? But watch how cool this is. I'm going to click Computer Tech. I'm going to click my AutoFilter button. And voila! Just like that, Excel has done two things. Turned on my filtering arrows for me and filtered for Computer Tech. Now I want the orders that Computer Tech is not paid. Watch. I just click No. I click on my auto filter button, and just that easy. I've given it 2 criteria. I've also added my Clear All Filters button. So let's clear those filters. I just click the button and voila. So if I want to see all the orders that people have not paid, a woo-woo. So, who's not paid me? I click the word No. I click my auto filter, and there are my miscreants. I will clear my filter. Now, another important button that I will teach you in the fundamentals class of Excelling at Excel series is Speak. I add Speak in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, so that my computer, Helen, can proofread and read back to me. So watch, I'm going to select just a few cells here, and I'm going to click Speak. So Helen, speak for us. So all you have to do, select your area in Excel or Word or PowerPoint or Outlook, and then click on your Speak button, and your computer will talk back to you.
Date.
So hopefully you can hear
Customer.
Helen as she reads back.
101.
This is the coolest thing.
January
Unlike
2nd, 2020.
It only reads what you have selected, and number 2,
102.
it will not turn
January
on
2nd,
until you
2020.
click the button. Now when I
Adam,
stop
Alan.
speaking, I just press Escape. So I love using my Quick Access Toolbar and these features that you'll learn in my fundamentals of Excel class. So please sign up. You'll enjoy these tips and tricks and so much more. So enjoy your quick access toolbar. Thank you.